We have to prove this relationship using mathematical induction. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square is equal to 1 over 6 times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 for all n greater than equals to 1. So the first number is n is equal to 1. We will see whether we can prove the left hand side is equal to right hand side for n is equal to 1. So when n is equal to 1, left hand side is n, that's 1, so just 1, while right hand side becomes 1 6 times 1, 1 plus 1 2 times 2 times 1 plus 1 3, so that's actually 1. Now we will make an assumption that the relationship is true for n is equal to k, where k is any integer n above than 1 or above 1. So k can be any value. When we assume that, so that becomes 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus k square is equal to 1 over 6k k plus 1 times 2k plus 1. So having made this assumption, we will see what happens when n is equal to k plus 1, and when that happens, left hand side becomes 1 square, so n is equal to now k plus 1, so 2 square plus 3 square plus up to k square plus k plus 1 whole square, and that one is equal to 1/6 that one, instead of this one we can write, because this is for n is equal to k, the left hand side, and when n is equal to k, left hand side is equal to right hand side, so we can replace this series with this one. So 1/6 k, k plus 1, 2k plus 1, and then plus k plus 1 whole square. This is when the left hand side when n is equal to k plus 1. So from here we can take k plus 1 outside the bracket, and it becomes 1 over 6 k, 2k plus 1, and then plus k plus 1 here, like that. So we leave like that, and then this is 6 here. So this one, if I get rid of the bracket, it becomes 2k k square plus k, and here it will become 6k plus 6. So I have done the addition there, so it's like that. So I can take the 6 here, and then this is 2k square plus 7k plus 6. So 1/6 k plus 1, it stays there, and here I can write it 2k square plus 3k plus 4k plus 3 plus 6. So basically middle term factor, I'm factorizing this one. So this is 1/6 k plus 1, which was there, and here if I do that, it will become 2k. If I do 2k, k plus 3 here, and then plus 2, this will become 2k plus 3 here. Sorry, this one I cannot take 2k actually. It will, I have to here take just k, because this one is 2k plus 3, so I can take k out, it becomes 2k plus 3, and from this one I can take 2 out, so it becomes k plus 3. So because 2k plus 3, sorry, once again, so that's 2k, 2 times 2k is 4k, and 2 times 2k is 4k, and 2 times 3 is 6. So 1/6 k plus 1 here, and this one is k plus 2, and then 2k plus 3. So this one I can rewrite as k plus 1 here, and then this one is k plus 1 plus 1, maybe like that, another bracket, and this one is 2k plus 1, which is 2k plus 1. So this is the right hand side when n is equal to k plus 1, because this one when n was, so this one is when n is k plus 1, this is n here, and this was n plus 1 here, and this was 2n plus 1 here. So instead of n, if we write k plus 1, this one becomes the right hand side. So basically when we do n is equal to k plus 1, starting from the left hand side, we have shown that we can come to the right hand side for n is equal to k plus 1. So the relationship is proved using mathematical induction, because first we have done the left hand side is equal to right hand side for n is equal to 1, then assuming the relationship to be true for n is equal to k, we have gone to show that it's equal, the left hand side is equal to right hand side when n is equal to k plus 1. So it's proved using mathematical induction.